All right, we're moving forward with the blue Rhino. Got jimping in, reduce some weight. Got the 3 main holes in. One's too big, but we'll deal with that later. Just make the handle holes appropriately. A little bit of weight relief on the front there, design, whatever you might want to call it. We're ground to 36 on the main bevel. Should be ready for heat treat. We got the knife hardened. It's in the tempering oven. Now I'm going to start working on the gemstones for the handle. We'll get those cut up and into the mold and pour some epoxy over. closing in on it. The scale's all glued up. I'm stuck together right now, so I can start to lay it out. I'm gonna lay out the front like that. We're gonna get it on there, figure out where it lines up with the crystals, and get our holes drilled, and rough shape it a little bit, and get it ready for glue up. Wow, that's something. I'm gonna have to grind and polish these stones. I mean, I'll have to grind and shape the corner of this, and then I'll have to continue to coat them in either epoxy again or CA glue to seal those, because pretty fragile little crystals. Obviously we have them encased in epoxy, but I didn't put them through the vacuum chamber, which retrospect I probably should have. I'm liking the angle up front. That's plenty of space right there. I thought it was going to be, that's just a perfect symmetrical 1/4 inch there that I love. We have plenty on the back. Not sure where I want with the separation. These holes actually weren't originally lined up to have a stripe. I wasn't originally going to have that. It was going to be this all the way up. I overcomplicated this later in the project. So this pin could have been back, and at one point I was going to make them glow also, but no one feels like doing that right now. So there it is. I mean, I guess just bust out the epoxy and get her done.